Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. Presented today this 2020 202D registered Cayman T. This Cayman T is finished in Miami blue individual paint with 20-inch Carrera S wheels finished in titanium grey. Cayman T stripes, titanium grey mirrors. This Cayman T further benefits from the full T interior package, which is half leather and pinstripe cloth interior seats. GT Sport steering wheel, Sport chrono package including mode switch, dials finished in Carrera white, navigation module, dual climate control, heated seats, Porsche active suspension management, and of course the all-important sports exhaust system. Music wise, this car benefits from Bose surround sound. The Cayman T also gives you the clear lenses pack. Park assist front and rear. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.